Hi, hello and welcome. Yes, I am right now at Lakkadi viewpoint, and what you are seeing right down there is Tamarasheri Churam. This is a crazy road. Now they have at least widened the roads, and at least there is place for one car or two cars to go on one side. Earlier this was like a single lane, and the vehicles coming from top used to wait for the vehicles coming from town to go up. This is the beautiful view we have here. You can see how steep the road is, and the vehicles are struggling to just climb. So I will go down the road on my bike and I will show you the guard section, how beautiful it is, and the view is stunning. Now the fog is coming in and I cannot see far away. You can see that it's already been covered by fog and maybe it's going to rain. I will try to zoom in with my DSLR and just show you the guard section, how it is from here, and remaining I will show you on the right. Now I will be going down this road and will show you guys how the road and the guard section is. And this road is seriously beautiful during night time. At night time you will not see anything other than the vehicles. So you will not see the vehicles also, you will just see the lights passing by, and that's an absolutely beautiful sight. So let's go down from Wayanad down into Kozhikode. So I am at the Tamarasheri Churam and I am starting to move down. This road was actually built, or they started construction, or they started using this road during the time of British. It was it's somewhere in the early 1800s or the 1900s. So there is a story behind this. So as I move forward, I will explain to you how it was constructed and the story behind it and all that. But first, I just start enjoying the view. It's a beautiful sight, and look at that lorry coming. That is the only way they can move up. It's pretty dangerous driving on these roads. Must be careful. And there is fog coming up and the weather is chill. I can feel the cold. It's almost the forest section. Earlier these roads weren't so wide. Actually at some places it used to be so narrow that only one vehicle could pass. So the vehicle coming from top used to wait on one side till the vehicle coming from down passed. Tamarasheri is the name of the place, and Churam means guard section. Hence it is called Tamarasheri Churam. On this beautiful part there lies a story of betrayal, which most people are unaware of. This road was the idea of British, and it was the tribal leader named Karimtandam who fell prey to it. There are no written documents or history which has information regarding Karimtandam, but only few stories that are told around. It was believed that Karimtandam lived between 1750 to 1799. He belonged to the tribe called the Paniya and was the leader of that tribe. The British, who had their camps in Kozhikode, were very much interested in spices that were available in Wayanad. Many Britishers who had tried to find this path never succeeded and few fell prey to the wild animals. That is when the Britishers saw Karimdandan, who was leading a herd of goats in these valleys. With the help of Karimdandan, who knew each and every corner of this forest, the engineers from England were successful in finding the short path from Adivaram to Lakkadi, and they were very happy about it. At the same time, the dark minds of the British had other ideas. Many British people had tried and was unsuccessful, and it would be shameful if the world gets to know that they did it with the help of a tribe. Also, they were scared if he would show the path to anyone else. So they decided to kill Karimdandan, and through cheating they killed him. So we started up somewhere from there and I'm going down. Able to shoot from top. There you can see the handrails there. That is where from I was able to shoot this place and record. And now I have reached that same point which I had captured from top. And this road is fantastic. Hairpins. I think there are totally 8 or 9 hairpins, and the counting starts from down. So this is 8 that I counted on top was from counting from down. This is the number is reducing. It's in descending order from top to down. So number 1 hairpin is at the bottom of the guard section. Look at that view. Stunning, isn't it? So we started somewhere up on top from there and we are coming down to Kozhikode. And as we come down, the climate or the temperature also changes. As we are coming down, I can feel it's getting hotter and the climate is changing. It's getting a little more drier and hotter. So if you are coming to Wayanad, don't miss out this journey on the Tamarasheri Churam. You need to come to Lakkadi, have a stop there at the Lakkadi viewpoint, have a great view. If there is fog, you are lucky and the view would be really amazing. So don't miss out on coming to the Tamarasheri Churam. If you are in Wayanad, it would take a half day from your itinerary, but it would be really worth it. Go down the Tamarasheri Churam. Even if you don't want to go to Kozhikode, just drive on this road, go down to Adivaram and come back. Also on the way you have some hairpin curves which are big enough to accommodate shops, and you can get some good eateries or the Kerala items to eat, and you can have good coffee and tea from there. So that's it from Tamarasheri Churam, and don't miss out Tamarasheri Churam if you are in Wayanad.